Hi, this is Don N5SKT, and what I'm going to be demoing today is, let me bring down OBS. What I'm demoing today is POTACAT. That's software to make POTA chasing easier, and it's written by Casey, and I'm not. Let me double check because I am horribly bad at call signs, so to make sure I get Casey's thing right. I'm in Casey's Discord. Casey has a Discord, and you can find it. He's K3 SBP, Sierra Bravo Papa. And anyway, he created this and has been working with a few of us over the last few months, or a few weeks actually anyway, to add features to it. One of the features I added was the beam heading. That's because I do have a beam and I am running a beam. So hopefully it's really difficult because I've got dual monitors and I am not good enough with OBS to capture two monitors, so we're squeezing everything we can onto one monitor. And hopefully what you'll see is you'll see me select a token, and select something or click on a line here, and you'll see the radio, which is in the background. It's status 64 change, and then I will hopefully work the station. Now what I am doing off camera is I'm grabbing the I'm changing the or hand setting the controller. Sorry, the words are difficult sometimes. Anyway, I'm setting the controller to the correct heading. Casey has added already the control to push towards the software, or sorry, to push towards the controller, because I do have a fairly sophisticated controller, but I don't have it set up on this particular deal, and I don't have Casey's software on the on the other computer that has the software on it. So we'll see that and see what we can do to demo this for a few minutes and see how things go. So hopefully this works. Now currently I'm gonna try and work Whiskey Uniform 0 mic here, and the way I would do that is click here, and we've immediately flipped over.
Hey, thank you so much, Kevin. Great teaching along again, my friend. Hey, thank you for your patience. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and hopefully catch you again soon, my friend. 7-3. 7-3, best of the family. Hey, thank you. You as well, thank you. Okay, the station ending. Mike, Papa, Mike. November 0. Oh, I am so sorry. Echo, come on in. I can't believe I did that. Sorry about that. Come on in. Every part. The standby, the November Bravo Echo? Okay, great. Calling you too. All right, Roger.
Yeah.
November Bravo Echo Jordan. I'm so sorry, my friend. You were a solid 5-9 plus 5. You got a great signal today, my friend. Roger. Okay, thank you for that. I understand. It happens. I just had to keep going there, but I had to put the stand. So you was
Yeah, as it is, the I'm already picking him up or already pointing at him, so that's why he's
Hey, hold on, George. I'm so
15
sorry.
over.
Next time you have my permission to come smack me upside my head. Hey, you have a blessed rest of your evening, my friend. It'll never happen again. 7-3. Okay, the Pop to Park and the Pop to Yankee station, please stand by. The station ending, Mike Papa Mike. This is November 0, Mike Papa Mike. November 0, Mike Papa Mike. Good evening, Michael. A great signal from Iowa. I have you, 5858 into the park. QSL? Yeah, QSL. I'm on 30 Cornwall, Colorado, Charlie Oscar. If you're a 5-9, you're into Rock Mountain. Hey, Roger, I want you to remember that from yesterday. Roger, Portable in Colorado. Well, hey, thank you so much for getting along again today, my friend. I hope you're enjoying Colorado and be safe and 7-3. Okay, I'll give you a thing. Don't fight for everything. Hey, I appreciate that. Okay, the Papa Yankee, you'll be next. The Park to Park. November 4, I believe. Kilo, November 4, Alpha Lima, Jason, good evening, great signal at your park. I have you a solid 5-9 plus about 10 into you at 2350, QSL.
By the way, I'm running the Anan G2 today. That's why we're running the Theta software. I'm not on I'm on a 100-watt radio, not on the Thetas, or not on the Hermes light.
I believe you said was that Papa Yankee 5 Tango Whiskey, QSL? Hey, Roger, Andre, Papa Yankee 5 Echo Whiskey. Hey, thank you for another one from Brazil, my friend. You were a 5x8, 58 into the park today. QSL? Hey, Roger, hey, thank you so much, Andre. Have a wonderful rest of your day. All the best, my friend. 7-3.
November 5, Sierra Kilo Tango.
Kilo Delta 2, Echo Hotel, heading to the pileup. I don't usually hear a pileup on Parks on the Air, but we got one today. Yeah, we do. Hey, Roger. Hey, thank you so much, guys. I got a few of you on that last one. I got a Kilo Mike station. You're on deck. A November 5 station and the ending Echo Hotel.
Okay, I got onto his list.
I have the Kilo Mike 4, I believe it was a Delta Yankee Romeo, QSL. Yeah, QSL is Kilo Mike 4, Delta Yankee Romeo, Dave in Destin, Florida. And you got a really good 5-9 signal, and your activation has a huge pileup, so congratulations, and keep it up. Hey, thank you so much, David. Good to work you again, my friend. You're also coming in here, booming. I have you 5-9 into the park today, Roger. Yeah, Roger. Great day to be activated. Yeah, QSL. Well, hey, thank you so much, my friend. You have a wonderful rest of your day. 7-3. 7-3. Okay, was there a November 5? A November 5 station?
Yeah, QSL. Hopefully I'm getting over all the guys that are jumping in. It's November 5, Sierra Kilo Tango. You're 15 over here into Texas today.
Boy, the loudest. You're coming in full quad in about 20 over into the park, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, like I said, you're hitting me 15 over, so it must be the hexbeam because I'm only running 100 watts there. Go ahead.
5-8 Texas, my friend. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Great to get you along again. 7-3.
73, and good luck with your activation today.
Here's 1-0, Mike. The last I had on the list, was there a station ending Echo Hotel? Alpha 289, Mike, Charlie.
Okay, I'm going to power it off so I can talk a bit. So I got a 5.8 from him. So you click on the log button there against his deal, and you can then log it. So I got a 5.8, and he was 15 over. Now this doesn't have the over. Maybe I can type it in. I don't know, but I don't really need to. And then I click Save QSO. Now in the settings here, you would put in your N5 SKT, or your call, not mine, your grid square, whether you want miles or distance. Then you go in and set your radio up. I'll click on that in a minute. And then you enable what spot sources you want. Do you want POTA, SOTA, and then I have DX cluster. I don't have these other two done. Although on the other one I'm doing WWF, so let's add that. And then these are the DX clusters. This one comes in by default, and yesterday it was giving me some deals, or some issues. So I added this one, which is the one I use in my log for OM. And then you can add a note. I don't know what that means. You can do reverse beacon network for CW operators. In fact, Casey's a big CW operator, and that's what he uses it for. It will integrate with WSJTX. I have not done that. It'll also pull in free DVs, PSK reporter spots. And ISOM has some stations in here programmed for watching if they're running POTA or anything. Then I've got it clicked to do this. Now here's PST rotator control. That's what I asked Casey to add, and he has added it. So I just need to put this in and set it up, which I'll do in the next few days. I just haven't had time yet, because actually today I'm working, and I just slipped out of took a break at work to try to record this and get it run. It has trackers, so I believe you enable this and it automatically sets up the trackers, it imports data into the trackers. If you're having issues with cat control, you can use Verbose cat control. And I have used that on the other machine to make sure that it was transmitting data correctly, and it helped Casey out quite a bit. In fact, here's Casey's call signs and stuff. You can buy him coffee, which I need to do, and these are some things that he's got set up. He uses HamLib, and here's how you file a bug, although if you get on his Discord, you can directly talk to him about issues. Which is what I've done. Then here's your automatic updates. Yeah, I should do that too. Share anonymous usage statistics, and I don't need the Verbose catalog right now, so we will save that. Then let's try this one more time at least. I'll power the radio back on. I wanted it to be off. Okay, see here we've gone to 21,274. And he's at 294 degrees, so let me swing the beam. Actually, let me check and make sure I am on the... Yeah, I'm on the hexbeam. Apparently today is very busy because everybody's got a pilot. November 5, Sierra Kilo Tango. Yeah, it's November 5, Sierra Kilo Tango.
Oh, yeah, no, I got it, buddy. November 5, Sierra Kilo Tango. You're about a 5 and 5. Good signal. Just, 130 contacts in, my brain starts to melt.
Yeah, I get it. I don't know what it is. I've gotten a couple of stations, and they're all getting pileups. So enjoy your pileup. You're a 5 and 9 here into Texas today.
All right, copy that, sir. Appreciate that. 5 and 9. Have a good one, buddy. We'll be down the block. 7-3.
73, and good luck with your activation today. Okay, let's try another one. Here's an N7.
557. All right, 5 6 seconds out. Thanks for hunting me down again. Alpha Delta 8, come back.
Yeah, everybody's got a pileup today.
Alpha Delta 8, Mike Sierra, and I 5-9 into Southern Arizona today. And then US 4429 and 4557. QSL Bill, I've got you 5-6. Mike India. 5-6 Mike India, thanks for hunting me down, and you have a great day. Thanks, Zach B. 73. 73, November 7, Whiskey Sierra Sierra, Kilo Tango.
November 5, Sierra Kilo Tango.
November 5, Sierra Kilo Tango. Sierra Kilo Tango, got it. 5-9 correct, man. You got a movement signal coming into Southern Arizona today. US 4429 and 4557.
Well, you're hitting me at 10 over. I assume it's the hexbeam. I don't know, but and I do have it pointed out that way. But yeah, you're 10 over here into Texas. 73, and good luck with your activation today.
Hey, 10 over in Texas, that's it. Thanks for hunting me down. And yeah, of course, this is my second home for the day, and I'm almost 50 on this one. So it's been a good day.
Well, very good. 73.
7-3, November 7, Whiskey, Sierra, Sierra, Kilo Tango. Was it November 1, Connect Papa Alpha? You're 5-3 where I was.
Let's try this guy in Kentucky. Kentucky, I'm going to have to swing the beam again. And to swing the beam, all I have to do is touch the screen on the circular map. I can't remember what that's called, but anyway, it's this great circle map. I click the where I want it to go on the great circle, and it just swings over. And he went up to 15 over after I swung the beam over into him.
Whiskey 1 Echo, and did I get the rest of Whiskey 1 Echo Victor Golf, Park to Park. I've got you 5-9 here, the US 0 That's Whiskey 1 Edge. And we got you 57 57 G3 Snyder 3. The target is G393. Copy 8393 and Whiskey 1 Victor Echo Golf. You got you down that time. I appreciate it. Still trying to learn for a long time. I appreciate it. Thanks for contacting me.
November 5, Sierra Kilo Tango.
November 5, Sierra Kilo Tango. You are 5-9 into
Yeah, QSL, and you're 10 over here in Texas today.
Copy, 10 over, and I apologize one more time. What's your call sign? November 5, Sierra Kilo.
And last letter is Tango.
Copy, November 5, Sierra Kilo, Tango. Appreciate it. 519, appreciate it. Have a good one, 73.
73, and good luck with your activation today. So anyway, let's also turn this off. So hopefully this video comes out. But anyway, as you can tell there, I've got all I'm doing is kind of pointing and clicking, and the radio changes to the right frequency, the right mode, all of that. Now I didn't go to 40 meters, but anyway, it would go to the right deal. One thing you can see up here, see this Zulu Victor 2. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, that's Brazil. And that's coming in through DX spots. And there's a couple down here that's coming in through DX spots, as well as these two. There's one here in Serbia on 7133, but on 40 meters during the day, I'm not going to get him. I don't have a 80 meter hook to this particular setup. I need to do that though. Yeah. Anyway, that's for another day. I'm eventually going to put out a 80 meter in-fed half wave. Now I could do it on my doublet, but we're not. I'm using the doublet at night for 160. So anyway, these are what I've got left. But when I've done this in the past, I've literally cleared this board in, an hour and a half. And as you can see, sometimes you go to these guys and you get them and, they've got a pile up or whatever. So you have to be patient. It's, you don't, I'm not rude or anything, and I'm not trying to work things as fast as I can. I want to work them correctly. So anyway, that's how I'm doing it, and hopefully you have an idea of how to use POTACAT and what an advantage it can be. Yeah, and one other quick thing I wanted to show you how I'm running, because I didn't even cover this. This is the Anan software, or basically Thetis. And here in the serial network, this is where I'm using what I'm using for cat control is just a TCP IP link at 13013. And if I go in here and close that, and we bring back the settings here, if I go in here to edit the Anan, see here, he's got it set for IP radio. I do IP radio 127.001 and 13013 is the port number, and you'd save the rig. I'm not going to do it. By default, Casey has a flex radio running smart SDR, and he controls his flex that way. You can do serial cat, which is just a serial port that's using the Kenwood protocol. Kenwood is the most recognized or generic of the cat protocols. Or you can run ham live over on the 101D. I'm running ham live, and it's working quite well. I had a little bit of trouble with it, and I believe we traced that down to that the stop bit is 2 on some of the ASU radios, and Casey got that fixed. I'm not sure what you had to do, but he got it fixed. And literally he turned it around in a few hours. So anyway, that's the demo I have today. This is Don N5SKT 73, and y'all have a good one. Hopefully go out and grab a copy of this. I'll put it in the put a link to it in the description. It's just potacat.com, and Casey will direct you from there to his Discord, etc. He's got some instructions on how to use it, stuff like that. I mean, I could, I guess, bring it up. I just downloaded this. Let's see, POTACAT.com, and then we just come here, and I'm running in dark mode, but you can see here's light mode, and you know, so he's got instructions here, tells you how to set things up and work it. What the interface is like, and how you can, you know, what you can change there, how you can launch and to use the program. It's really simple, and these are the programs that'll work with. It does work on Windows, Mac, and Linux. On Mac and Linux, you do have to build it, and it uses Node.js. It's written in pretty much the same thing that Node-RED is written in, although it's written in a special language that goes along with that. But it's not exactly Node-RED, but it uses the same JS language or JavaScript language. And then here's how you join his Discord and how you buy him a coffee. Anyway, that's what I've got today. 73. This is Don, N5SKT.